Some illnesses don't shout loudly at first, but they weaken the body over time. One of these is tuberculosis, commonly called TB, a serious lung infection many people still misunderstand. Tuberculosis is an infectious disease that is caused by a bacteria that affects the lungs, mainly the lungs, but it can also affect other parts of the body like the spine, the kidney, and the brain. TB spreads through the air when a person with active TB coughs, sneezes, or laughs, releasing tiny droplets that can be inhaled by others. Some common symptoms of TB include persistent cough lasting more than 2 weeks, weight loss, fever and night sweats, tiredness and weakness, chest pain. TB can look like pneumonia at first, but it is more long term and needs a specific treatment. So make sure you take the BCG vaccine, you cover your mouth when you're coughing, sneezing, get tested early, and complete prescribed treatment. Tuberculosis is serious, but the good news is it's preventable and curable, so get tested early. Thank you all for staying with me. Thank you all for watching. As I always say, don't forget to like, follow, share, and comment for more. You can also ask your questions in my DM or in the comment section. Bye!